Window Wall System Project Applications. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we look at various examples of window wall systems, focusing on slab edge details, balcony access, thermal comfort, operable windows, and more. Here are three nice window wall examples. Note on all of these, you can identify the slab edge detail now. You can see where it is now after we've discussed it. These also have balconies, so some type of entry or another is required to access them. Here's a really nice window wall application, the Modine in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is a high-rise multifamily project. In the upper image, you can see all of the openings for the balcony. So there are hundreds of high-performance thermally broken balcony doors separating the harsh exterior environment from the controlled interior living space. Thermal comfort was a huge driver of product selection. The lower image is looking from the interior out. You can see the great open area, nice open space, full height glass from the floor to the ceiling, a nice radius corner as we move around to the left, leading to an operable window on the far side. There's a nice array of product offerings integrated into this window wall system. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.